Hi, check out one of the coolest new features in GibbsCAM version 13. It's called Custom Entry and Exit. So what I can do is if I double click on the number next to the op or right click, I can go to Advanced Approach and Retract and select, let's say this is my approach, and go Apply Select and select this as my retract and go Apply Select. Or I can have it follow the same, just reverse the first one. And now I have complete control over, here we are, entering the part on the line I drew, and then exiting the other line. We can also do it by a point as well, one of the coolest new features in version 13. So if I go just instead select the point and select both Apply Select, now it's going off the point. Very, very cool stuff in version 13. So now we're entering from that point. Thanks for watching.